Okay, we are on day 8 of Alibaba and the 40 Thieves. I did notice something strange this morning when I logged into my Alibaba account. Guess what? My order history with this company, Pujiang Daotian Arts and Crafts Limited, it's still there, but it's been truncated somehow. I'm sorry, I'm glistening. I just got off working out, so I do this in between my workout sets and stuff, and got off the bike, so I'm glistening. Anyway, Tesseract doesn't work. There was some comments in a thread that I did not start, but I did end up participating in, about someone ordering from this company, and then people tuned in talking about how they ordered and had a lot of bad ones, or none of them worked. So they're destroying themselves. So I don't know if Pujiang Daotian Arts and Crafts Limited asked my order be truncated. Ain't gonna stop me. So anyway, they FAFO'd. Let's go and see what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna do the little Pirate King here, little island. And I just screwed up. So anyway, the company's just destroying themselves. They're gonna change their name. Big thing, remember, there are other companies that start with Pujiang. Make sure that you look at everything after the word Pujiang. It's Pujiang Daotian Arts and Craft in Beijing. I don't know if the others are located in Beijing. And look at that little symbol there. Almost looks like a crown with some wheat in it. Dao Tian. Make sure that you avoid these folks. So be very careful. I mean, I hadn't put it in here, but a lot of the ones that I did do that worked on the ones that passed the test. And I think I need to do another test. I'm probably gonna do another video on it. I did notice a difference in the way the light passed through the ones that worked from like the xTool one, where it's just a slight bit different. So I'm thinking about doing another little thing. I have about 10 of these, not these, because these don't work. 10 of the ones that actually passed the test left. I don't want to burn them all up yet until I get enough money to order some from a good company, and have them in stock. But, you know, these right now are just little tests that I'm running, but, you know, the results nowhere near as good as from a good company. So anywho, let's just go ahead, and I'm going to show you what we get when we do. Okay, so now we get here. I just want to show you. So here are my settings, 40, 40, 60, just so I'm not hiding anything. There it is inside. These are the settings that were by the author. I got these from Adam. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the process. And this one takes a while, almost like an hour or something. I may have done this one before, but I've actually done it in one of their crystals that work. Oops, hour and a half. Let's go ahead and hit start. And we have their FAFO moment where it doesn't work. And you guys get to see that. And I'm gonna go over, waste my time on crystal 8 here. And just to show you, they should have not played games with me. They said they were going to send me replacements that worked, and then played the game, waiting until after my return period was over, and said, we're not sending you anything. You get what you deserve. Shame. Shame, 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 shame. I'm out. Don't you mess with me. Don't you mess with me. I'm out of here.